Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a quick little Dollar Tree haul. I feel like I've been going to the Dollar Tree a lot lately. Picked up some little crazy little flip-flops just for around the house, you know, like running to the mailbox, that kind of stuff. I picked up some more of the double-sided Crafter Square tape, 3 packs of those. I always could use more tape. I picked up some ribbon. So I got the blue, the piece that came off, the blue lace, and the pink and the white. So it's like that baby pink. After this one I had a yellow. Oh, no, purple. I knew it was 4. So purple, white, pink, and blue. And again, this is, you know, nice for mixed media, different projects and stuff like that. Pack of the different colored pens, and then I picked up this home sticker set. I was thinking about doing a zine with it, doing with my friends, and then I picked up 3 of these to be altered. Don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I just felt like altering some stuff, so these are just a little easels. I picked up these to be altered. I showed you the other ones. And you can make these yourself, but I did pick these up to alter them. I showed the other 2 that I had in the other video. The sleigh. You know how to get a black and red one. So, did pick up this book, Clean My Space, The Secret to Cleaning Better, Faster, and Loving Your Home Every Day. And this is really just for the craft room. I clean, but my problem is I get messy and then I clean. But I'm not one, I can't clean and work at the same time. I mean, I'm sure I could if I force myself to learn how to do that. But I ain't there yet. Work in progress. Oh my God. Praying for deliverance. Anyway, I did get some of the fat quarters. I think I got some, I think I showed, in one of my Dollar Tree, I had some other ones. But anyway, I got this one, these little fat quarters. You know, you can make masks out of these, and that's what I got them for, actually. So, and I got that one, of course, from my G-Son. So that is the extent of my Dollar Tree haul. So, take care, God bless, and I dare you to be creative.